guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this gorgeous Senegalese twist step by step from start to finish. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using this Ultra Expression here, and this is in color blue raspberry. Very cute, very popping. Okay, pop. Yes, sis. And it comes 3 in a pack, and I'm using 2 packs for this whole look. It is cute, sis. Woo! So I'm going to be using this old mic that does not work anymore. I wanted something that's not going to be moving, that's like really nice and steady. So I decided to use this old mic. So I'm just going to tie this string around the chair, guys, exactly the way I'm doing, because I wanted something that's really nice and secure. So I'm tying this twice, as you guys can see. Make sure it's really nice and secure. It's not moving. It's not, going up and down the chair. It's really nice and secure. If you do not have anything like this, you can use like a shoelace, you can use some yarn, you can do whatever, you can use whatever that can work for you. So this is the stand that I got from Amazon. This right here helps me when I'm trying to have like a nice uniform kind of twist or braids or whatever situation that I'm trying to do at that time. So what I do is I just section my hair out. So I'm doing like really tiny twists. Like I sectioned about 150 of the strands before I started twisting. When I'm twisting, guys, I use water. You can use anything that's gonna work for you. You can use some oil. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna take, the hair. So I'm using 1 strand at a time, guys. Place it in exactly the way I'm doing, okay? And then I'm going to make sure the hair is nice and equal on both sides. And then once I do that, I'm going to start twisting, guys. So I'm going to twist both sides going in the same direction, all right? So I'm going to twist both sides with my index finger and my thumb, and then I'm going to loop them around. So once I'm looping them around, I'm going to place the hair between my ring finger and my middle finger. That is holding the hair while I'm twisting the other side. So that is what you do, guys, to make sure this does not unravel. So you twist and then loop them around. Twist and then loop them around. You're twisting with your index finger and your thumb. I'm going to place the hair between my ring finger and my middle finger. That is holding the hair while I'm twisting the other side. So that is what you do, guys, to make sure this does not unravel. This has this nice twist situation. And this right here is how you do the Senegalese twist. So you make sure you twist and loop them around. Before you loop them around, sis, better make sure you're twisting both sides. So that's the secret of doing Senegalese twist. So you make sure you do this, sis, okay? So this is very, very easy, guys. Oh my gosh, if you get this technique right here, I'm going to tell you today that you are going to do the best Senegalese twist you have ever done in your entire life, sis. Okay? You better get into it. Better get into it. Once you twist and turn, even if you let it go, it's not going to unravel. As you guys can see right here, I twisted and turned, and then I'm going to let it go so that you guys can see that it's not going to unravel. And then you're just gonna pick it back up from wherever you stop and start twisting back again, guys, okay? Make sure you're twisting both sides. If you twist one side, sis, it's not gonna come out this way. I'm telling you today, you just have to make sure you train yourself to twist both sides. So you're twisting and then looping them around. Twist both sides going in the same direction and then looping them around. So this is how you do it. And then once you get to where you want to stop, you want to end, where you want to have your curl start, you are just going to take a little piece from the side, a little piece right there, and then you're just going to tie a little knot. So I usually tie 2 knots. That way I know that this is really nice and secure. So I'm going to show you again. What you're going to do is you're just going to take the hair, all right? You're just going to place the hair in, and then you are going to make sure the hair is really nice and equal on both sides. And then you're going to twist first before you loop it around. So you're twisting the hair going in one direction. So the whole point is twisting the hair going in one direction, and then you're twisting using your index finger and your thumb, okay? So you're twisting both sides exactly the way I'm doing, and then you're going to loop them around. Anyway, wow, it's still talking, sis. Have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? the bottom to where you want to have your curl start, you are going to tie a little knot. You can tie 3 times, you can tie 4 times. Just make sure you're nice and secure, guys. Twisting with your index finger and your thumb. So you're going to place the hair from your right side, your dominant hand, right? You're going to take the hair from your dominant hand, placing it on your non-dominant hand, which is my left hand, right? I'm going to place the hair between my ring finger and my middle finger. That is holding the hair while I'm twisting the other side. So that is what you do, guys, to make sure this does not unravel. This has this nice twist situation going to it. And this right here is how you do the Senegalese twist. Today's shout out goes to Lucilia's Kitchen. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. I really appreciate you. She has a YouTube channel as well. If you want to see some cocktails, some nice food, you better go check out my sister. You are a real one today. Okay, sis. This is so beginner friendly that even if you do not know how to do Senegalese twist and you watch this video right here, sis, I guarantee you are going to be able to do it. You just gotta have the patience, sis. You gotta have the patience. You gotta practice. Practice makes perfect. When I'm this hype, you already know the video is easy. The tutorial is easy. I'm so hyped when I'm about to teach my sisters. When I'm about to give you the real tea right here, sis. Okay? Look at how this Senegalese twists are popping through, honey. I mean, come on. Nobody's gonna know that you did this Senegalese twist by your damn self at home and you just installed them later on. I have 150 strands. It took me about 2 hours to do, okay? But it's gonna take you longer. That's okay. You can do them little. You can do them bigger. You don't have to do them as small as mine, guys. I just wanted to do exactly the way I did in my previous video. And everybody was like, pop, 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 pop. Yes, just bring the tutorial through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hair, place it in exactly the way I'm doing, okay? And then I'm going to make sure the hair is nice and equal on both sides. And then once I do that, I'm going to start twisting, guys. So I'm going to twist both sides going in the same direction, all right? So I'm going to twist both sides with my index finger and my thumb, and then I'm going to loop them around. So once I'm looping them around, I'm going to place the hair between your middle finger and your ring finger. That is what's going to be holding the hair as I'm twisting the other side. So this is very easy, guys. I twisted about 150 and I said it took me about 2 hours to do. Do not worry if it's gonna take you longer, because listen, if you're doing this for the first time, you should expect that it's gonna take you longer, and that's okay, okay? And I'm using these perm rods that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. I'm doing 10 at a time. You don't have to do 10 at a time. You can do a lot. You can do less. You can do whatever you want, sister. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my mousse, okay? And then this is how I get the curls popping, all right, or whatever. Taking about 10 twists at a time, and then I'm just going to take the mousse, applying it to the twist, and then I'm going to take the perm rods, and then I'm just going to roll the hair. Where I tied the knot is where I'm starting with the curl, guys. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Very easy, very beginner friendly. I mean, come on, at this point, sis, if you did not know how to do Senegalese twist, you are about to do it today, okay? done, you know, placing them on the perm rods, I'm just going to take my hot water, make sure it's really nice and boiling, okay, boiling water, and I'm going to be placing them like 3 or 4 at a time. Okay, guys, so that's exactly what I'm doing, taking my towel and making sure it's nice and dry. Make sure you are very safe, be very careful, because you do not want to burn yourself. And then I'm going to leave them in for 20-30 seconds, and I let them air dry. But what you can do is you can use a blower, you can leave them as long as you want, and it's gonna come out really, really nice. So these ones right here, I just left them overnight. Anyway, so once I'm done, you know, I'm just going to unravel them, and I just wanted to do like a really nice color. That way, you know, you guys can see better on how to do this technique right here. Take my scissors and cut the ends, you know, just to make sure it's really nice and cute or whatever. So you can untwist it a little bit, and then you can place them in just the way you do your crochets. But if you have a little loop and you just want to do like the way I did the last time, you better go watch my previous video, the purple ones that I did. And baby, when I tell you this twist came all the way through, yes sis, I've been living for this twist right here. This Senegalese twist came all the way through, and you know me, I gotta throw in a few styles here and there, and baby, they are coming all the way through. Let me know if you guys are feeling this Senegalese twist right here, and let me tell you, when I'm telling you this Senegalese twist look like individual twist, look legit, look like I got them from the store. I'm feeling myself right about now. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. And you know me, I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So here we go. I'm just gonna add a few accessories here and there, and baby, it took the style all the way to boop 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 100. Let me know if you guys are feeling this. Let me know if you guys are loving it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this technique right here. Let me know if you guys are going to be doing your own crochet twist at this point, because honey, when I tell you they look legit, okay? If you want to watch how I installed this Senegalese twist, you better go watch my previous video. It's the same technique, honey. It is the same technique. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to your girl. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for taking your time, for commenting, for liking, for all you're doing for my channel. I cannot believe we are here. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.